guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Sarahy. Thank you guys so much for being here today. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this look right here. It screams out summer / spring, more spring than summer, obviously because it's still spring, but I am obsessed with this makeup look. Obviously, like the glowy skin, I'm all into it. The neutral eye, which I just can't get enough of neutral eyes. Also, I quickly wanted to mention Deck of Scarlet. So I'm pretty sure you guys have heard me talk about them. So pretty much what Deck of Scarlet is a makeup line and also a beauty subscription. And the cool thing about Deck of Scarlet is that every month they collaborate with big YouTubers and big influencers. But this year is super exciting because they are expanding their beauty products. So pretty much they're going to be adding more products, and of all categories, like there will be eyeshadow palettes, there will be blush palettes, there's going to be a bunch of kits and so much more. So this month's subscription, you are getting this right here. Let me show you guys what you're getting. Okay, so this month's subscription, you are getting this palette right here, which I am absolutely obsessed with. I'm actually wearing their eyeshadows on my eyes right now. So this eyeshadow palette has 10 shades. Look how beautiful this palette is. I mean, you have a green eyeshadow palette, you have this really pretty iridescent shade. As always, you will get to try the monthly collection, and you'll have a couple of days to skip it if you're not feeling it. But why wouldn't you? It's so great. Their full-size palettes and kits cost less than many of the products at Sephora and only for $29.95. So I think that's pretty freaking cool. And I will also list a link down below on my description box, right on top of the description box, so you guys don't miss that out. But yeah, you guys, if y'all want to learn how I did this makeup tutorial, then please continue watching. Alright, so first I'm going to be doing my brows. You guys know this little trick I do. Now I'm going to sculpt them out with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and you guys know that I love doing this because it gets me ready for eyeshadow. Actually, I've been using a different kind of brush to shape my brows. It's this Anastasia number 20 brush, and what I'm doing here is just gonna sculpt them out like this. FYI guys, my back has been killing me. Also reasons why I haven't filmed other than my boyfriend's here recovering from surgery. My back's been killing me. Like, I never in my life had back problems, and this month, seriously, like bad things are happening this month that my back just started hurting out of nowhere. And I never get back pains, and it was really bad that day. So I also recorded a video and the volume was trash. The microphone, I don't know what happened to the settings. I think I like might have moved it myself and it was just all wrong. But a lot of people are saying to just do a voiceover, so I might do it because I really liked how the makeup look turned out. So I think I might just, you know, do a voiceover. Hopefully it's not so noticeable that I'm talking in the video, but let me know if you guys want me to upload that video. It's pretty much like I'm showing you guys a full full face makeup tutorial, and I'm actually using the Urban Decay Reload palette, which is bomb. I might just post it up here on the screen next to me. So yeah, let me know if you guys want a tutorial. I mean, if you guys want me to upload that video. So yeah, just let your girl know, holla at your girl, because I don't know what to do. A part of me is saying, yes, upload it with a voiceover, but then I could redo it again, but I don't know when that video will be up. But yeah, just let me know. So see the difference between prepping your eye and not prepping it? Like, look at all that darkness going on there, and this just brightens up your look, which I love. reasons why my back's been killing me is because I've been helping Lalo get up from bed and get up from like the couch and stuff, that I think I might have just pulled a muscle really bad because he's a little heavy. Like, again, I've never felt a back pain like that before, and it's just like super super bad. But I actually went to a chiropractor. How do you pronounce it? Chiropractor. Yes. And my sister actually works there, so yeah, they hooked it up, you guys. Like, seriously, I have no pain anymore. I mean, I do have a little bit of pain. It's just midway, like it's not as bad as it was, but now I feel so much better. And before it was hurting so bad, like I couldn't even sit right because it would even hurt when I sat. But I'm so happy that everything is good now. It wasn't something serious. Oh yeah, and then I had to like drink so much water, and I did, because supposedly when you're, you know, when you have like back problems and stuff, it's good to drink. I mean, it's always good to drink water, but when you have those kind of things, it's extra good to drink lots and lots of water. So what have you guys been up to? I feel like I am just at my house. I'm a homebodied person. My boyfriend's literally recovering from surgery, so I am just at home, not doing a lot of things, not even doing like unboxing videos or anything, just literally sitting at home watching Marvel movies, and that's pretty much it. Oh, and watching Sex and the City. So now that we're done doing our eyes, I'm gonna now do my eyeshadow. So for today's eyeshadow, I'm actually gonna be using this palette right here. This is from Deck of Scarlet. I'm going to be using the Deck of Scarlet palette. This is the Desert palette. And this is how the palette looks like from the inside. It's actually very, very beautiful. Look how pretty. It's rose gold. Super, super nice. DS right there. And this is pretty much what the eyeshadows look like, which I am totally obsessing with. Like, who doesn't like these colors on their eyes, you know? The first shade that I'm going to be taking is Sunrise, which is this shade right here. And I'm pretty much going to just kind of blend the shade right here on my crease. Oh, that brush that I actually picked up Sunrise with is the Morphe E27 brush. But now I'm going to be picking up this Morphe E22 brush, which is more fluffier. And I'm going to be picking up Wildflower, this one right here. And I'm just going to be focusing the shade right in here. Kind of just moving it back and forth like this. And this shade's actually going to go right beneath my crease. We don't actually want a lot of the shade to go in there that much because we are going to put a more darker shade in here in a little bit. So now that we have that good to go, now I'm going to go in with a different palette. This one is the Sassy Siennas. I'm going to literally always use this palette all the freaking time. But I'm going to be taking Foxy, the shade right here. And I'm just gonna really quickly sweep this color in here. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here in the palette, which is like a brown kind of shade. Oh, this one's called Stay Sassy. And all I'm gonna do is kind of put this color right in here to make it a little bit more, to make the crease a little bit more sunken in, like your eyes looking in. And this is also gonna make them look very sexy. The Morphe times Jaclyn Hill. This is the JH32, yeah, 32 brush. I'm just gonna quickly just blend out to make sure that we don't have any harsh lines. Now that we're done with that step, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing kind of like the eyeliner wing. No, the eyeshadow wing. And this part is very, very easy. I'm gonna be taking this brown shade from the Sassy Sienna's palette. And pretty much I'm just going to kind of do an eyeliner with this shade right here. So now I'm going to take a very small brush like this, and I'm just going to blend out. So we don't have like a really harsh line. I'm just going to go back and forth, kind of just diffusing it very quickly. So for today's primer, I'm going to be taking my YSL Blur Primer. It's this one right here. I'm going to now use my Too Faced Born This Way, my Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. Apply this where I'm very, very dry actually, like super dry. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my fresh Vitamin Nectar spray, and I'm just gonna spray this all around my face. And for today's foundation, I'm going to be using the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation, and I am in the shade 3.70. And then I'm just going to quickly just... I've been using this Real Techniques Instapop face brush, and I like how it really leaves my foundation. It's so big too, so it's like super easy to use and quick. Alright, so now that we're done blending, now I'm going to go ahead and take my Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Sand, and I'm pretty much going to apply this right underneath my eyes to brighten up the look and also conceal. I'm also going to be taking a warm sand and also concealing with this shade. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking Golden Beige, and I'm just going to start to highlight parts of my face, or right here, my cupid's bow, my chin, my forehead. And then I'm going to take light beige, and I'm also going to do the same thing, but only right here on my under eyes. Alright, so now I'm going to apply contour, cream contour, and this is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick, and this is in the shade Truffle. And then I'm just going to start to blend out. Now I'm just going to be setting my under eyes with the Huda Beauty Quick Baking Powder. Start right under here. Just gonna set my face with the same powder. So now I'm just going to bronze up. I'm going to be taking my Marc Jacobs Tintastic bronzer. Now I'm just going to get rid of the powder I have underneath here. Alright, so now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows off camera and then I'll be right back. So this part is voiceover because my mic was not working at this point, obviously, as you guys can see. But it wasn't plugged in and I realized way too late. But now I'm pretty much here, you know, applying some mascara. This is the Too Faced Born This Way mascara. Oh no, Better Than Sex mascara, I'm sorry. And then now I'm applying my Lee lashes, and these are in the style Hollywood. These are my absolute favorite pair, honestly. I am obsessed with them. I always order like 4 pairs whenever I am in their website. They're so amazing. But I love how flirty and, you know, big my eyes look when I wear these lashes. So now I'm just gonna dust off the powder really quick. So now I'm just going to quickly just do my bottom lower lash line. I'm pretty much going to be taking Wildflower and just blending this out. This is a MAC brush. I'm not sure what number it is, but I'll leave it down below. I think it's the 432 brush. But I'm basically just running the shade right underneath my eye. And now I'm going to be taking a brown shade. I actually got this brown shade from the Sassy Sienna's palette, and I'm just running that through my lower lash line. And now I'm going to be applying my highlight. This is the Bobbi Brown highlight palette, and I am absolutely obsessed with this Bobbi Brown palette. It's so amazing. Like, look at that glow, you guys. My skin literally looks wet when I apply this bronzer, and the packaging is everything. As you guys saw, it like does this cool effect on it. But now I'm gonna be applying this shade on my inner corner. So now I'm gonna lip line it with the Kylie Cosmetics Eyes Latte lip liner. And for today's lips, I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty matte lipsticks. And this is in the shade Joyride. And I love this shade right here. It's so pretty. Look at it. So I'm going to add a little bit of brow gel because my eyebrows are going a little crazy right now. Alright, so last but not least, I'm going to take more of the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Glow Spray. I'm just going to pretty much spray this all over. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this makeup tutorial. It's definitely a spring makeup tutorial. You have the really bronzy skin and the neutral eye. Of course, I love a neutral eye. Who doesn't? So that's pretty much it, you guys. I really hope y'all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know if you did on the comments down below. And also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press the bell notification to notify you every time I upload new videos and new content for you guys. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.